Upwork Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms designed to connect businesses and independent professionals worldwide. It offers features like robust project categorization, advanced search filters, and secure payment systems, making it ideal for anyone seeking flexible work or outsourcing talent. As a freelancer, you'll appreciate Upwork's profile customization, which allows you to showcase your skills, portfolio, and experience to attract clients. The platform also offers a range of tools for communication, time tracking, and milestone-based project management, ensuring a seamless workflow. From the client side, Upwork simplifies the hiring process with its detailed job posting options, skill matching algorithms, and the ability to review freelancer ratings and feedback. You can hire talent for both short-term and long-term projects across various industries, from graphic design and programming to writing and marketing. While the platform is easy to use, the bidding system requires careful attention. Freelancers need to craft competitive proposals to win jobs, and clients should evaluate profiles and communication to find the right match. Additionally, Upwork's service fees, ranging from 5 to 20%, can be steep, especially for smaller projects, but they contribute to features like payment protection and dispute resolution. A standout feature is Upwork's Talent Scout program, which offers pre-vetted freelancers for clients seeking top-tier professionals, as well as the project catalog for ready-made services. Freelancers can benefit from Upwork's Rising Talent and top-rated programs, which enhance visibility and credibility on the platform. In my experience, Upwork works best for freelancers who consistently deliver high-quality work and actively maintain their profiles. For clients, it's ideal for accessing a global pool of talent with varying skill levels and rates. However, both parties should remain cautious of overly generic profiles or projects that lack clear expectations. In conclusion, Upwork is a powerful tool for freelancers and businesses alike, offering unmatched flexibility and features to meet diverse project needs. While it does have a learning curve and some cost implications, the platform's security, vast talent pool, and user-friendly interface make it worth the investment.